Hello, I'm Dr. Trupti Patel, founder of Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center in Northern Virginia. As you get older, you may notice that you gain weight very easily and it becomes more and more difficult losing weight. I hear this every day in my practice. Today, I want to explain why this occurs and how to interrupt or prevent this cycle in your life. First, what causes weight gain in menopause? Hormonal changes, especially a decrease in estrogen, cause more weight gain around your abdomen. This is called visceral fat, which is the fat that overlies the organs, also known to be more dangerous type of fat because it leads to diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Your muscle mass starts to decrease and your fat mass increases. Your metabolic rate slows down, which requires you to take in less calories to maintain your weight. For most, your physical activity decreases. Your genetics may play a part. You may experience a lack of sleep, making you more hungry. So how do you prevent menopausal weight gain or lose weight during this phase of your life? First, reduce calories. You will need about 200 calories a day less in your 50s compared to in your 30s or 40s. Get 0.8 to 1 gram per kilogram of protein daily. For a woman who weighs 150 pounds, that relates to at least 68 grams of quality protein per day. Eliminate as much processed and sugary foods as you can. Increase your ingestion of plant-based foods like nuts, seeds, olive oils, beans, legumes, and fatty fish. Reduce your carbs. This can help to decrease the belly fat. Increase your fiber intake. Exercise, especially strength training, which helps to increase your muscle mass. Shoot for a workout that makes you break a sweat. Get enough sleep. This is generally 7 to 8 hours of sleep at nighttime. Practice a good sleep habit routine. Remove all electronic screens from the bedroom for at least an hour before bedtime. Go to bed and get up on the same schedule each day. Remember, menopause is a natural change that all women will experience at some point. It can be very frustrating for women to see such significant physical changes in a short period of time. It may take more mindfulness to lose weight at this time, but it's possible. I see this with my patients every day. We would be honored to be a part of your weight loss journey. Give us a call at 703-783-5673 or visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com for more information on how to get started.